basically got this cover on right now, but so far I taped up this area because I do want to fix this. There's a little bit of bare metal exposed, so I kind of want to like sand it down, maybe Bondo it, and then primer it, because this is exposed and I don't want this to rust or get oxidated. So as far as here, I'm not gonna make this like a whole detailed project. We don't have to do really a lot. The point was just to seal it up, protect it, make sure we have metal again, and voila, simple project. Nothing too crazy. We don't need to go all crazy with the Bondo or anything. We're just gonna make sure as long as the windshield sits flat with the sealant, we're good. So as you guys see, it's way smoother than before. All the burnt marks that were happening right here with all the welding, it felt very bumpy. Now it's really smooth, it's even, which is what I want. Now I just gotta add some Bondo to make it more flat than I wanted to. And then this part, it's pretty even, it feels flat. I'm just gonna add a little bit of touches on between these spaces where it looks kind of low, and then we're ready to go. Currently in the process of putting on the windshield. Right now I'm kind of just like trying it out first, see if it fits, see what adjustments I need to do. It fits kind of funny, I'm not sure why, but I'm pretty sure it will fit better with the urethane, because I think there's like a certain amount of urethane that we need to add, so I think it's gonna lift up the window more. Right now it's super flat, as you can see. It's just laying on metal. So right now I'm just doing some fitment. If you go on this side, it's not too bad. We're getting there. Just installed the windshield. I put hella tape just in case it sags or something, but hopefully this will do. It looks way better now that I added like a whole layer of this urethane. This windshield did kind of got some height to it now, but I'm just gonna not touch it. A part of me is like trying to be a perfectionist and trying to line it up on both sides still. I should just follow the tape how I had it and just leave it. So that's gonna be the plan. I'm gonna let it sit for a bit, let it dry. I don't know how long this takes. Me and my brother put the windshield on. I feel way better about this now. So we're just gonna let it dry, chill, and then once it's dry, maybe I can put the moldings on, but we'll see. Hopefully I did a good job.